One of the vehicles in today is this new Isuzu D-Max for an off-road animal predator bar. DRIVETECH 4x4, 12,000 pound dual speed winch. Now I just want to show you this winch quickly because it's a really cool winch with some unique features. So it comes standard with a wireless controller like most winches. It also has a battery isolator and a breather kit for the winch motor. Now the really cool thing about this winch is that it is a dual speed winch. So when the lever's to the front, it's free spool, so you can set up for your winch, not overheat the motor. And then when you're ready to winch, you can turn that to the left, which puts it in a low speed. So this gives you a nice controlled line speed and is perfect for if you're majorly bogged or have a really heavy vehicle and trailer combination. Now, if you're using the winch to get up obstacles while you're four-wheel driving, you can use the high speed setting, which sometimes you just need to realign the cogs to get it into place, which gives you a much faster winch setting. It does reduce the capacity, but makes a huge difference when you're four-wheel driving. It means you're not waiting for the winch rope to take up the slack every time you make some progress. So it's a really good bit of gear. You should check it out on our website.